How to stream the logs in Docker Python API? I am building an image from a Docker file using the Docker Python API. The operation finishes successfully, however I was not able to stream the logs. The API says, return a blocking generator you can iterate over to retrieve build output as it happens. When stream equals true. How can I get these logs in Python?
According to the docs, the image build now returns a tuple with both the image and the build logs. The first item is the image object for the image that was built. The second item is a generator of the build logs as JSON decoded objects. And modifying at Havoc solution accordingly. Streaming the Docker build logs can be done using the low-level RPAS given in Docker PY as follows.
You may use the low-level API client. The build function will return a generator that you can iterate to grab chunks of the build log. The generator will yield a string containing a JSON object. You may call JSON.loads on it, or you can use the decode equals true parameter in the build function that will do that for you. Once you grab the stream or key from the yielded dictionary, you may just print it, but if you need to send it to a logger, it may be better to do it line by line, as the chunk received will contain more than one line. One option of such code is as follows.
Docker low-level build has the ability to directly decode the output to a dictionary. For that, use decode equals true. I used Meshomaro to convert the dictionary to a data class. This is useful if you like type hints. To use data classes, you need at least Python 3.7. Install Meshomaro. The data class. Build your image. Hope this helps.
If you had trouble with the answers above, I was able to get what I needed using this.